off with our Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand over your heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we'll reach our dreams. All right. Oh my goodness, it's a brand new month. It is April 1st, which means
Easter.
Which means it is April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day.
So that means you're supposed to trick your friends. So I could go like this. You know what? Tomorrow is Christmas.
Yay!
April Fool.
Christmas.
Oh, Mrs. Hill, your shoes untied. April Fool. She doesn't even have laces. That was a silly one.
April Fool.
But tomorrow, no April Foolin', we have no school.
Yeah.
And we don't have school on the 3rd or the 4th. And we don't have school on the 5th or the 6th. No school on the 7th or the 8th.
Oh my goodness.
No school on the 9th or the 10th.
10.
Guess what? No school on the 11th either. We'll be back on the 12th
No.
after our spring break. Look at all those no schools.
Wow.
Let's count them. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. A little slower for Miss Missing up.
5.
Short arms.
6. 7. 8.
8.
9.
10.
10.
Remember, we're happy about it. We're not screaming, rage, angry. We're happy about it. Yay! So we're going 1, 2. That's right. What are we going to do? Well, I can tell you right now. We are going to have Easter right there. The Easter Bunny's going to come.
It's so happy.
So excited. But today, we get to have our Easter party.
We're going to have Easter eggs.
We're going to find some Easter eggs. We said it was going to be rainy today, and it was raining this morning. Is it raining now?
Yeah.
No, it's not raining, but it is what?
Windy.
It is so windy.
And
It
it's
is
wet
very
outside.
chilly, and it's wet outside. Which means Easter egg hunts have to be inside. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our first day of spring break?
Snowy.
Oh, I don't know about that. It does feel kind of... I'm
Sunny.
going to say no.
Sunny.
It is kind of chilly out there. So we'll go ahead and put that.
Sunny.
Maybe it'll be sunny.
Maybe
We'll
it'll
have
be
to
sunny.
see. We have our snow for our prediction. Ready to say our alphabet together? Everybody's got their big voices on. Ready? Right here. Right here. All right, let's say it together. Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right. Let's count You're gonna help us out with some shapes. What shape is green? Friends.
What shape is green? Friend at home?
What shape is purple?
Octagon.
Good. Octagon. What shape is brown? Square. Good job. All right, my friends here. What color are the elephants?
Gray.
Gray. What color is the chocolate bar? Brown. My friend at home. Okay. What's going on? Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Say it with me. Little Miss Muffet sat